Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will walk you through configuring Gupshup WhatsApp in BoldDesk. You'll learn how to set up WhatsApp in Gupshup, add and configure phone numbers, and manage your accounts directly from BoldDesk. With this integration, you can quickly connect Gupshup WhatsApp by simply entering your API key. Enable instant, real-time two-way communication with customers on WhatsApp for prompt, responsive support. And share multimedia content, such as images, videos, audios, and documents, directly in your conversations to create a richer, more engaging customer experience. First, you need to set up WhatsApp in Gupshup. Log into the Gupshup dashboard and click the Create App button. Enter a name for the app and click Submit. Next, navigate to the newly created app and click Go Live next to it to open a dialog box. Select the New Phone Number option and click Continue. Choose your country from the drop-down menu to proceed. Then, enter the required details and mark this checkbox to confirm the terms and conditions. Once the information is verified, click Confirm to save the settings. Next, to link the account to your business portfolio, click Continue with Facebook to open a pop-up window. You can log in with a different account or proceed with the existing one. Then click the Get Started button. Select the Create a New Business Portfolio option to add your phone number. You can also specify your business name, email address, and business website or profile page. If you don't have either, mark this checkbox. Then select a country from the drop-down options and click Next. Here, choose to create WhatsApp business account and profile and click Next. Enter your account name and display name and select the appropriate business category. Next, add your phone number and choose your preferred verification method. If you are using a landline number, select the phone call option. Click Next, enter the verification code you receive, and then click Continue to connect your account. When the number is verified, confirm it, navigate to your profile, and copy the API key. This key is essential to complete the integration in BoldDesk. Ensure you add credits in the My Wallet section to enable messaging for the phone numbers linked to your account. Next, let me show you how to configure Gupshup WhatsApp integration in BoldDesk. Log in to the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Go to the Chat module, open WhatsApp, and select Gupshup WhatsApp under the Channel section. Then, click Configure to open the configuration window. Enter the copied API key and click Verify and Save to complete the process. BoldDesk facilitates the seamless mapping of Gupshup WhatsApp accounts for specific brands and groups. To add a phone number, click Manage to open the account's listing page. Next, click Add Account, which opens the configuration window. Enter the name and select the API name. Then choose the brand and the group to assign the conversations initiated through the selected account. Click Next to open the message configuration page. Here, enable the Read Receipts option to read receipts. You can also enable a welcome message to set up an automated reply that will be sent when customers start conversations, and an offline message when customers initiate a conversation when offline. Click Save to complete the process. BoldDesk empowers users to manage their Gupshup WhatsApp accounts with options to edit, deactivate, delete, and activate them. To edit an account, click the More Options icon next to the account, select Edit, modify the details, and click Save. Similarly, to deactivate an account, choose Deactivate and confirm. The account will be moved to the Inactive tab, where you can reactivate it by selecting Activate from the More Options menu. To delete an account, select Delete from the drop-down and confirm the action. That's how easy it is to integrate the Gupshup WhatsApp with BoldDesk. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching.